Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and here we are with the build. I haven't really gone that much further, and I'll tell you why. Just before we get there, off to my left hand side is the completed 4-lane Hot Wheels 180 degree curve, which I'll put a video up later today as well. So a couple of stumbling blocks here, and one is the lack of Hot Wheels track. Can you believe it? I've scoured everywhere in Australia to try and find more Hot Wheels track, and there's nothing available. This new track's going to be 4 lanes all the way, as you can see. It's going to be 4 lanes all the way, and so I'm just laying things out just to see how much track I've got, and I'm short. I'm completely and utterly short of building a track. So my other option is to buy via Amazon. And however, that comes with a massive price tag, I'll tell you, man. These kits in Australia for Hot Wheels, you get like 31 straights, you get 31 of these longer straights, and I forget how many of these, something like, well, here, then you get 20 or so of these, and a bunch of connectors. So I think there's about 50 pieces in there or something. These smaller pieces are great, however, you know, it's just a join every, it's too many joins. And as I say, I do want to make this a 4-lane track. So, where was I? Yeah, so these kits cost 30 bucks in Australia. If I was to buy off Amazon, they want 40 or 50 bucks roughly US dollars, right? So what's that? You've got to add 30% on top of that, so what's that, $65 Aussie, then postage. So, you know, we're getting right up towards the $100 mark for a $30 product. So, yeah. So this is where I am with the track at the moment. I'm completely and utterly stuck until I can source some more Hot Wheels track. You might be asking, well, why don't you print your own? Well, do you know how long it takes to print this? Let alone print a 4-lane straight piece. This is 60 hours plus just in that, okay? So printing straights would be viable, however, it ties up all the machines for other jobs that come through. So here I am, not much further really than where I was. I did give it a good crack until, as I say, I ran out of this orange Hot Wheels track. So until I can source some more, I'm at a complete and utter standstill. And I don't really want to go down the path of building the track like for a 2-laner just yet. I need the 4-lane so I can then build the foundation for the 4-lane, and then afterwards I can lay a 2-lane Hot Wheels track on top of that, and also the Fat Track. So I mentioned earlier in a previous video that I want to have this set up so I can have more than one track on it. I don't mean all at once. You know, I have 3 tracks on it at once. What I mean is I want to be able to build it so I can take all these components out and put Sizzler Fat Track up here, or a 2-lane Hot Wheels track. That's what I mean. So that itself comes with a whole host of issues with having to time the track. So first of all, I need to just do this 4-laner and get that foundation built, and then I can work on all the other stuff. Confusing, hey? Sorry to confuse you all, but that's where I'm at with the build of MWR. Until next time, catch you later.